Today we are diving into one of the most iconic dishes of Indo-Chinese cuisine, chili chicken recipe. Crispy, spicy, saucy, and seriously addictive. This dish is a street food superstar in India and beyond.
Hello everyone and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny. In this video episode I'll show you how to make very easy, slightly spicy and absolutely delicious chili chicken recipe. So stay tuned and make sure to watch the video to the end. Don't forget to press thumbs up. For this recipe you can use either chicken breast or chicken thighs, whatever you prefer.
I've got 3 chicken breasts, approximately 1.5 pounds, cut it into 2-inch pieces and transfer it into the bowl. Chili chicken isn't actually Chinese and isn't completely Indian as well. It's a product of Indo-Chinese cuisine, unique fusion that began in Tangra, the old Chinatown of Kolkata, India. Chili chicken is believed to first appear in the 1970s or 80s, right in the heart of this cultural blend. Chili chicken became popular by Chinese-owned restaurants. It quickly became a poster dish for Indo-Chinese cuisine.
Let's marinate our chicken breast.
For the marinade I will need 1-inch piece of ginger and try to clean it with a spoon. It really works as a miracle. Super easy and you don't lose no ginger itself. I saw this tip online in one of the videos. Then take a grater and grate it on a small grater over the chicken, together with 1 garlic clove. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika. If you want to make it more spicy, substitute the paprika with Kashmiri pepper. Ground some black pepper, add 3 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Get 1 large egg, and I prefer to crack it in a separate bowl first. Whisk it for a little and then add it into the chicken. Mix it and put it aside.
And now a very important step is to make the sauce. Let's begin.
In a bowl combine 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, mix it, grate 1 garlic, and 1-inch piece of ginger. Mix it and the sauce is ready.
Now let's cut the vegetables.
Get red onion and cut it into large pieces. By the 1990s and early 2000s, chili chicken had become a household name in India, available everywhere, from street carts and college buffet to 5-star hotel restaurants. Get 1 red and green bell peppers, cut the bell pepper around the core, get rid of it together with the seeds, remove the ribs and cut it into medium pieces. Back in the late 18th and early 19th century, Chinese immigrants, mainly Hakka Chinese, settled in Kolkata. They brought with them their culinary techniques like stir-frying, deep-frying, and the generous use of garlic, soy sauce and vinegar. But in India they had to adopt local ingredients like green or red chilies, garam masala, and Indian spices started making their way into traditional Chinese recipes. And boom, Indo-Chinese cuisine was born. Get 4 pieces of scallion and cut it into 1-inch pieces. Chili chicken recipe is a comfort food, a celebration dish, a late-night craving, and a spicy snack, all rolled into one.
And the most important ingredient is the chili pepper. Add couple, but if you want a little bit more spicy, feel free to add about 5 to 6 pieces. Let's check if this chili pepper is spicy enough. Ha.
I will use 3 red chili peppers, but here it's all up to you, depending how spicy you want this dish to be, and cut it into about 1/4-inch pieces, obviously together with the seeds. All the vegetables are prepped and now let's cook the chicken. I will shallow fry it. Preheat the oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the chicken until golden brown in color. Make sure to carefully fry the chicken by batches. Do not overcrowd the pan. And once the chicken is fried, I like to remove it into the sheet pan. Shallow frying is a cooking method where the food is partially submerged in a small amount of hot oil, typically half of the food, to achieve golden brown in crust while keeping the interior moist. Like this, you will use less oil, and turning the chicken will ensure even cooking on both sides. And now let's finish up combining all the ingredients, and I will use wok for that. First, you need to prep the wok. Preheat the wok to high heat, add some oil, and coat the sides and the bottom with the oil using the paper towel. Then add some more vegetable oil. Make sure that the wok is very hot and add onions, bell peppers, saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add chilies, saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the sauce in, saute everything for about 1 minute. Add scallion, chicken, mix it all together to spread the sauce evenly. You can taste the dish and adjust the seasoning if required. If you enjoyed this food history journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more delicious deep dives into the stories behind your favorite dishes. Transfer it into the plate, decorate it with some chili pepper and sesame seeds. Enjoy!
This chili pepper is for the brave one. I tried one earlier and that's enough for me. Cheers! So much flavor. Chicken breast cooked perfectly, not tough, not chewy, ideally cooked. Guys, you can use either chicken breast or chicken thighs, whatever you prefer. Either or will do the job.